If you're weighing up your next home setup, this best semi-automatic espresso machine countdown highlights 5 options that balance hands-on control with everyday practicality. If something catches your eye, you can explore it further through the links in the video description. In 5th place, we have the Philips Barista Brew Semi Automatic Espresso Machine, a compact, anti-fingerprint metal unit that's built around a 58mm stainless steel portafilter with both single and dual-wall baskets. That format lets you begin with assisted shots and then progress to traditional extractions while keeping results predictable. Supported by a premium calibrated tamper and a countertop-safe tamping system that stabilizes prep and protects your worktop. Daily drinks are straightforward thanks to an Americano button and an integrated hot water outlet so you can top up longer cups without moving the mug. Milk is covered by a capable steam wand paired with a 450-milliliter stainless steel jug. And a 250-gram bean container helps preserve freshness and reduce refill frequency. Cleaning and storage are simple. The metal housing stands up to wipe downs, and included cleaning tools plus an espresso stand help keep parts organized. A meaningful limitation is headroom in the included double basket. Higher 20-gram recipes can feel tight, so careful distribution and tamping pay off. Coming in at number 4 is the Wirsh 20-bar Semi-Automatic Espresso Machine, a 6.5-inch wide setup designed for small countertops that still gives you meaningful control. A 20-bar Italian pump and 1350-watt thermoblock pair with adjustable temperature and programmable coffee volume, while pre-infusion lets the puck bloom for more even extractions. The 42-ounce removable water tank reduces refills, the detachable drip tray simplifies rinsing, and the cup warming tray helps shots land at a steadier serving temperature. For milk drinks, a professional steam wand enables stretching or texturing for lattes and cappuccinos, and a hot water function covers Americanos or tea without moving the cup. Durability cues include a plastic-free double-spout portafilter and a 2-in-1 stainless steel tamper/spoon, giving you a cleaner workflow right out of the box. Its key strengths are the space-saving footprint with real control features, versatile steam and hot water for multiple drink styles, and a practical tank for daily convenience. One drawback, the light, slim chassis can transmit vibration during extraction, so mindful cup placement helps. At number 3, you'll find the OWL 15-bar Semi-Automatic Espresso Machine, which focuses on temperature stability and repeatable dialing. A thermal balance brewing head with an integrated PTC element and PID control is designed to keep water within target heat during extraction. The 15-bar system pairs a 1500-watt heater with an extended 2-meter heating pipe for stronger steam and steady flow. And a dual display surfaces pressure, temperature, and time in real time, so you can track each phase. Long-press touchscreen programming lets you set brewing temperature from 176 to 215 degrees F, pre-infusion from 0 to 30 seconds, and shot duration from 10 to 120 seconds, turning features into predictable, repeatable results. Daily use is practical. A transparent reservoir and a detachable drip tray simplify refills and cleanup, and automatic pressure release protection adds peace of mind. Milk prep benefits from a side-mounted lever and an extended swivel stainless steel wand with a dual-hole tip that offers more control over texture for lattes or cappuccinos. The trade-off is a modest learning curve. The machine relies on thorough preheating and correct grind and tamp to hit its stride. Taking the second spot is the KitchenAid Semi Automatic Espresso Machine, a sturdy, metal-clad all-in-one aimed at repeatable home espresso. It's anchored by a 58mm easy tamp portafilter with recessed spouts, letting you tamp flat on the counter for more consistent puck prep. A built-in grinder with smart dosing technology meters grounds for 1 or 2 shot recipes at the push of a button, and fast heating tech brings water to brewing temperature without a long wait. Practical touches matter here. The multi-angle steam wand positions cleanly in the pitcher for controlled microfoam, and a Clean Me notification prompts timely maintenance. The included accessories cover the workflow end-to-end: milk pitcher, portafilter, tamper, single-wall and double-wall baskets, removable bean hopper with lid, water filter holder with filter, brush, and priming pump, while the metal exterior is built for simple wipe-downs. A 2-year warranty underlines durability expectations. The limitation is coarse temperature control with 3 presets, low, medium, high, rather than numeric degrees, which narrows fine-tuning for lighter roasts. And finally, at number 1, the COWSAR 15-bar semi-automatic espresso machine brings a control-forward approach centered on repeatability. It pairs a 15-bar pressure system with pre-infusion to wet the puck at low pressure before the main shot, helping to reduce channeling and promote a more even extraction. PID precision temperature control lets you set brewing heat to match bean and roast, while an integrated grinder with adjustable settings turns whole beans into fresh grounds at the moment of brewing for more consistent flavor targeting. The day-to-day workflow is straightforward. An intuitive panel offers preset single and double shots, plus dedicated steam and hot water functions for lattes or Americanos. And the removable 75-ounce water tank stretches refills across multiple drinks. A brushed stainless steel finish handles routine wipe-downs, and maintenance is simplified by a detachable drip tray, plus a cleaning pin and brush stored in a small toolbox behind it. The payoff for the feature set is a learning curve. Results depend on dialing in grind size and temperature and giving the machine adequate warm-up, so a methodical setup rewards you with steadier cups. To recap, the Philips Barista Brew focuses on a 58mm workflow with helpful accessories and Americano and hot water convenience. The Wirsh packs real controls into a slim footprint. The Owl emphasizes precise, programmable parameters. The KitchenAid streamlines dosing and prep with an integrated grinder and easy tamp portafilter. And the COWSAR blends PID control, pre-infusion, and an onboard grinder for on-demand brewing.